So what I'm doing is I'm trying to make it easy to take the plastic that's on the glass off because it's stuck on it. So now let's see how easy it is to take the plastic off. Comes up easy. Okay, about this one here. Okay, so this is how we do it. See, hiring the right expert make things easy for you. Because you're gonna hire somebody who doesn't know what they're doing, they're gonna take too much time, they're gonna charge you a lot of money, you're gonna waste your time. Don't go to those who come to us and learn. Come to us, we teach them. All right, so you see here, this is not easily coming off. Let me see, can we pull it from here? All right, okay, cool. So we're getting a little bit. It's necessarily that easy to take off.